Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And today's recipe is the most tasty dry fried chicken, which can be enjoyed as an appetizer or a snack. So let's get started. In order to make this, I've taken chicken boneless, which is 500 grams. Chicken, what you have to do is once you wash, cut them in small pieces. This recipe, watch the video carefully so that you can make small bites which are juicy and tasty. I've used salt, half a teaspoon, pepper powder, half a teaspoon. I've used black pepper powder, ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon, curd, which is dahi, 2 tablespoon, Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon, cumin powder, jeera powder, half a teaspoon. I'm using red color, a pinch, which is optional. If you want to use, you can use it. Otherwise, you can skip this. Just mix this and leave it aside for at least 2 hours so that it get marinate well. So now after 2 hours, what you have to do is I've used chopped cilantro, which is fresh coriander, few sprigs just for a flavor, and also curry leaves. Cut them in fine julienne. 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Mix this and our mixture is ready now. Now in order to deep fry, keep the oil hot and fry them on a medium flame. Once you get nice golden brown in color, check how they are already crispy. Remove and keep it aside. By using a paper towel. Now with the next batch. Now take a pan. In order to saute, we need oil. I've used 2 tablespoons. Now once the oil is hot, add chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon, some curry leaves and 2 green chillies. Cut them in slit and saute this. Once you get the color, add the fried chicken and toss. Add black pepper powder and finish it. This recipe can be enjoyed as an appetizer or a party snack. This is the most loved recipe. Try this recipe at home and you can enjoy with your loved ones. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Thank you very much.